Hi family, welcome back to Cooking with Efya. Today I'm excited to show you how to make soft fluffy ring donuts using a donut maker. This recipe is simple, delicious and perfect for breakfast, snacks or even parties. I will take you step by step from mixing the batter all the way to baking so you can get the perfect texture every single time. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so do check it out. Now let's get started with our batter. In a clean mixing bowl, I'm starting with my margarine. Next, I'll add the sugar as well. And as I said, I'm going to be listing all the ingredients and measurements in the description box for you to check it out. So do check it out after the video. Alright, so using a hand mixer, I'll beat the margarine and sugar together on medium speed until the mixture becomes light, creamy and fluffy. This is called creaming and it's very important because it introduces air into the mixture, helping the donut turn out very soft and very fluffy. So once it's fluffy, I'll stop the mixer and use my spatula to scrape down the size of the bowl and bring everything together nicely so the mixture is smooth and even. Now I'm adding my eggs little by little. Don't rush this part. Add small amounts, mix until it's fully combined, then add more. Gradually adding the eggs helps the batter stay smooth and prevent it from curdling. You also start to see the mixture become silky and glossy. That's the perfect consistency we want. At this point, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so that your friends get to see this video as well. Thank you so much. So after adding in the eggs, I'll go in with my vanilla extract for flavor and then add some baking powder and all-purpose flour. I'll mix this gently until everything is well combined. Now I'll begin by adding my evaporated milk as well. Just add it gradually, just like the eggs. Add a little at a time. We want a batter that is thick but still pourable. Thicker than pancake batter but soft enough to fall off the spoon in a slow ribbon. When the batter is smooth, just the way you see it on your screens right now, it should be very glossy and lump-free. This is exactly how it's supposed to be. Also make sure not to overmix your batter as well. It's very important. Now all that is left is for us to heat up our donut maker. Make sure to brush a little margarine or butter into each donut hole well so your donuts release easily and come out golden. Now go ahead and drop your butter into the donut maker. Don't overfill, trust me. I scooped a lot the first time and ended up with extra puffy donuts. It's not bad, but it makes it harder to get that perfect ring shape. So don't be like me, okay? Just cover it and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. You can also keep an eye on it and check from time to time. Even though the machine is automatic, you know our African mindset. I don't want to waste my energy cry, trust me. So I was opening to check every now and then to make sure everything was turning out right. You can pick one or twice, but don't open it often or it will slow down the baking process. Now, as you can see, we have extra puffy donuts all around, and trust me, we don't want this to happen again. So make sure to scoop just a little so it turns out right, just the way we want it. Okay, continue the process until all your batter is done. While that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new video members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. So when everything is baked, this is how it's supposed to be. Very golden, soft, and fluffy, and perfect shapes as well. You can glaze this with some sugar coat or enjoy them just as they are. As you can see, it's looking super soft, and that's just perfect. I got about 80 pieces in all. So if you are making some for party, you can use this measurement and also double it as well, and you are good to go. And trust me, all your customers or your guests will love this recipe or this donut very well. I hope you're going to give it a try. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this simple homemade donuts recipe, and I'll be very glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload amazing videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for cooking with Efya today, and until next time, keep cooking with love, and see you in my next upload. Bye.